And I just thought it would be fun to do a bit of a study on the 50% tool and how you can use that in your trading without any other TA or indicators on here. So if I just draw it from the bottom of our correction to the top, where does that support come in? It comes in here at $86,000, and there's nothing special about 86,100, but you can see how that 50% lines up with these tops where we were finding resistance. And if you get more advanced with these tools, you can actually use fib extension tools from a correction area, or perhaps this correction top, to project out where a move could go to. But that's definitely something for another lesson. So if I bring up the fib retracement tool one more time, and I just focus on this last little move right here. So I'm going to take this last swing bottom and just focus on this move. And where does that happen to be? That happens to be right at $91,000. And we've been saying that between $91,000 to $92,000 is very strong support. So if we zoom out a little bit more just to find confluence here, what if we take this whole corrective move and measure that out with the 50% tool? So we'll go to our tops here, and we're getting a lot of lines on here now. And we just measure that out. So, and you can see how that 50% level just gave us support, 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 support this whole time. And then when we broke down from it, we got into the bigger part of our correction. And now we really would like to ideally hold in the top half of that 50% from the overall move, which happens to be at $92,000. So maybe we wick below and we find support at that magical 91.5 that we have drawn on. But this can just start to give you confluence of areas to expect support and resistance without using any indicators, without using the VRVP tool. Just using the 50% level is very, very powerful in your trading.